Welcome to another fabulous episode of High Life Dubai. Somebody once said the grand essentials of happiness are something to do, something to love, and something to hope for. And tonight's episode is filled with all that. High Life Dubai में हम हमेशा local achievers को feature करना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. And that's why we met up with Mr. Madani of the Al Madani Group. So let's hear from him about his life and achievements.
Madani Group is more than 50 years old. It started with his core business by my father and with the tailoring and textile business right at the mouth of the creek where the center of Dubai was at that time in the early 40s. And with a humble start, the small tailoring shop, he got his reputation among the locals and especially even the ruler of the Dubai at that time, Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, who was actually his customer, and the shopping used to be done right in front of our father's shop, and that whole area with the spice and with the general shopping, daily shopping that used to be done by everybody. Father being young and innovative with creativity in his tailoring, he got his reputation among all the Arab locals there. And you got all these broker and the real estate, especially in the early 60s when Dubai started, developing, the oil was discovered. So he got into real estate and construction. I went to America and studied engineering and came back and took over the business. And then from, construction, engineering, textile, into developing the branding with all the shopping centers starting in Dubai, with Levi's and Hang Ten being the first two apparel brand. Got into some Italian brand, Gas, and then we went into also the food and beverage. The first restaurant opened in the Mall of Emirates, Charlie's. From Charlie's, then we went to, as we're sitting right now, there's a Whittard of Chelsea, which is a cafe, and it's more specialized in tea.
Mr. Madani is an UAE national, so let's see what he loves most about our beloved city.
It's a great achievement, I would say, in the past 30 years to grow from a very small town of Dubai, not known. I used to study in the States, this in early 80s, and people ask me, where are you from? I used to say Dubai, UAE, nowhere. Oh, next to Saudi Arabia. Oh yeah, okay. You have oil and you ride camels. This is what people thought about Dubai. Now if you go anywhere in the world, people would know Dubai. Dubai is being marketed. Dubai is the center view of so many people to come because of the security that we enjoy here and the progress that has been so fast. As you know, it's the fastest growing city on the earth is Dubai. And we're very grateful to our leaders, especially Sheikh Mohammed, who has, inspired all of us to follow his leadership and always from the next day wake up to, as he said, to race like horses.
Al Madani Group has an illustrious history which has truly stood the test of time because of its vision and commitment to quality. Starting off in the 1940s as a small clothes shop, today Al Madani is a force to reckon with in the retail and business world. So what's in store for the future? Let's find out.
We are having lots of plans for future, developing more into the food and beverage and also in the apparel business. We have plans to open in the major malls like Dubai Mall, Mall of Arabia, and also developing in the rest of the GCC countries like in Saudi Arabia and Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait. Most of our brands, we have actually distribution rights for the whole GCC countries, plus some more in the rest of the Asian countries with the brand of Hang Ten.
It definitely must not be easy running a fashion empire. So what does Mr. Madani do to unwind? चलिए जानते हैं उन्हीं से.
Actually, I like golfing, so I do go.
मिस्टर मदानी को हिंदी बोलनी आती है और उन्हें हिंदी फिल्में भी बहुत पसंद है। तो चलिए जानते हैं उन्हीं से हमारे हिंदी फिल्मों के बारे में।
I got so much memory about India from the childhood. Actually, I went to Bombay by ship in the early 60s. I used to love watching the old movies. So I said, हम जब बम्बई से वापस आता था इधर हम फ्रेंड के सामने बोलते हम ये मूवी देखा, ये तो अभी दुबई में आ रहे हैं, हम तो 3 महीना पहले देखा था. This is how I used to brag with all my friends that.
Thanks to Al Madani Group, we are giving away 3 gift vouchers of 500 dirhams each. Just answer this simple question. The question is, tell us a brand name that belongs to Al Madani Group. A. Levi's, B. Matthew Williamson, C. Marc Jacobs. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae, or you can visit our website, click on competition and answer the question. And now we've come to our last segment, High Focus. हाई फोकस में हम हर हफ्ते उन इश्यूज को डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमारे लिए या हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं। और पिछले हफ्ते की तरह इस बार फिर हम ओबेसिटी को डिस्कस करेंगे। ओबेसिटी हैज बिकम अ ग्लोबल इशू. इट कैन लीड टू मेनी लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग डिजीजेस. General causes of modern obesity. Obesity does not just happen overnight. It develops gradually from poor diet and lifestyle choices, and to some extent from your genes. The risk factors and contributory causes of obesity, a disease of excess body fat characterized by a body mass index of 30 plus, include a range of well-documented genetic and environmental factors. Overconsumption, a possible root cause. Eating too many calories for energy need must be a major candidate for the main cause of the modern obesity epidemic. Increase in consumption of calorie-dense food, as evidenced by the growth of fast food chains and higher soft drink consumption, also point to a higher energy intake. Lifestyle choices. Lifestyle choices are an important factor in influencing your weight. For example, eating high-fat, processed or fast food rather than filling up your fruit, vegetables and unrefined carbohydrates such as wholemeal bread and brown rice. Alcohol also contains a lot of calories and heavy drinkers are often overweight. Family influence, a major contributory cause to obesity. Parental behavioral pattern concerning shopping, cooking, eating and exercise have an important influence on a child's energy balance and ultimately their weight. Since obese children and adolescents frequently grow up to become obese adults, it's clear that family influence also extends to adult obesity. Lack of physical activity. Lack of physical activity is another important factor that is related to obesity. If we are not active enough to use up the energy provided by food, the extra calories are stored as fat instead. Also, we have so many labor-saving devices now that it's difficult for people to get exercise in the amount the body requires. Emotional or psychological factors. Food is often a source of solace or celebration. If we feel blue, we may turn to food. If we celebrate a new job or birthday, we may go out to a big dinner. Genetics. Genes affect a number of weight-related processes in the body, such as metabolic rate, blood glucose metabolism, fat storage, hormones, to name a few. A family history of obesity increases your chances to become obese by about 25 to 30%. Gender. Muscle uses more energy than fat does. Men have more muscles than women and burn 10% to 20% more calories than women do at rest. For this reason, women are more likely to be obese. Medical reasons. Less than 2% of all cases of obesity can be traced to a metabolic disorder, such as low thyroid function or hormonal imbalances. With that, we come to the end of another exciting episode. Please visit our website for more information and also to win 2 amazing travel bags from Natro Bise for next 12 weeks. See you on another wonderful journey next week only on High Life Dubai. High Life Dubai wishes you a very happy and colorful Holi.
Do me a favor, let's play Holi. रंगों में है प्यार की बोली.